Hello children, today we discuss the chapter Symmetry. This is not for the point of view of examination, just for your information. Look at here, the concept of symmetry means, look at this is a mirror. When we keep a object over here, we will get an image on that opposite side, isn't it? Look at here, we are, I will show you a paper. Look at this is a sheet of paper. I fold this full sheet of paper, I fold in the middle of this. When I open this, the both sides are equal. There is no difference between the both sides, isn't it? These are the same measurement, same pattern. So okay, so that when the middle we have a line over here. Look at here, and through which I fold it. That means this is the line of symmetry because both the sides are same. Okay, that means look at here. This line is known as symmetrical line of symmetry, and if we keep a picture over here, we will get a symmetrical figure on that side also. So if both the figures are same, we can say that they are symmetrical figures. That the figure that is identical on both sides in a line is said to be symmetrical about the line, and the figure is known as symmetrical. The line is known as line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. I will show one more thing. Look at here. Here is a pic. I will show you a pattern. How will be the both sides? All the four sides are equal. Look at here. I want to make a design over here. When I open this, look at here. I have fold through this line. All the designs in the opposite on both sides are same. These are known as line. This line is known as line of symmetry because all the pictures or designs on this side is same like as it is in this side also. This is known as symmetrical figures. That type of figure is made in this textbook. Okay. Now we will discuss the two-dimensional symmetrical objects. Look at here. Here is a picture of kite. When we fold through this middle line, the both sides are look same. If we fold through this vertical place, it will not be same. So it is this is the line of symmetry of this figure. Just like the remaining pictures also. In our maths, we are discussing the line of symmetry of the line segment of a symmetrical about this perpendicular bisector. Because when this is a line AB, when we draw a perpendicular bisector of this line, we've got the distance between these perpendicular bisector and two endpoints of the line segment are same. That means we have studied as the earlier chapter when we had perpendicular bisector of a line. The line segment is divided into two equal pieces. That is the perpendicular bisector passing through the midpoint of that line. So this line is symmetrical. Line segment is symmetrical through this perpendicular bisector. Just like when an angle is given, when we draw a angle bisector of that line, we can say that angle bisector, this axis is known as axis of symmetry or line of symmetry. The angle is divided into two equal parted. If it is 60, each part will be 30. So we can say that look at next figure. This is isosceles triangle. It has only one angle of symmetry because when we draw a perpendicular altitude from the opposite vertex to the opposite side, if the both sides are equal, then we can say that this line is axis of symmetry. For the isosceles triangle, we have only one line of symmetry because we already know the two sides of isosceles triangles are equal and the base angles are equal. So when we draw a line from the vertex angle to the opposite side, that is base line, we can make the triangle as a symmetrical figure. Moving to next, that is for an equilateral triangle, three line of symmetry we can draw because all the three sides are equal and all the three angles are also equal. So when we draw each angle bisector for that three vertex, it will pass through one point. We can say that equilateral triangle has three line of symmetry. For the scalene triangle, we have no line of symmetry because all the three sides are different, three angles are different. So we cannot make a line of symmetry for that angle. This one minute. This is a scalene triangle. If you draw we can fold it and find it. If if you fold that, look at here, through this vertex, it is the angle bisector of this angle. Is these both sides are equal? No, both are different. This is small and this is larger one. If we draw a perpendicular from this vertex, or angle bisect from this vertex, look at here, is these two angles triangles are same? Is the lines we have fold? Look at here, is this both are same? No, this is smaller, this is bigger one. And if we make another angle bisector, look at here, is this both this is a line angle symmetry we have drawn. Is these two angles are same? No, that means it has no line of symmetry for a scalar triangle. Okay, just like you can try for the iso triangle, equilateral triangle. And look at here, another picture is it's a picture of kite. When we draw a line of symmetry, this vertical method form we will get, because the adjacent sides are equal for a kite. So we draw a line of symmetry through this, like this side, we get an angle of line of symmetry for this figure. Another one is this arrow. Arrow can be drawn, we can make a line of symmetry. I'll show. I didn't prepare. Look at here, this is a kite method of kite, form of kite. Okay, when we draw a line of symmetry through this point, you can use the scale. Okay, and I fold through this point. Look at this, both the two sides are equal. When we fold this, that is one part must be identical over the other one. Both are coincides, isn't it? That is a method for identify both are same. Okay, so this is a picture of one type of kite. These two sides are equal, so we can say that this kite is symmetrical figure. Now just like letter A, when we draw this type of vertical line, we can make these two sides are equal. Just like this, another alphabet H, the circle we can draw line of infinite number of line of symmetry. Just this, there is no need to do the exercise, just go through it. Now symmetrical point. Now look at here in our textbook, it is done for you. All the alphabet which has line of symmetry, one line of symmetry is A, B, C, D, E, M, T, U, V, W and Y. These are the letters alphabet. English alphabet have exactly one line of symmetry. Okay, look at here, this alphabet has two line of symmetry, just exactly two line of symmetry. We can have vertical and horizontal line of symmetry for H, I, O and X. But some alphabet has no line of symmetry. Look at here, this F, G, J, K, L, N, P, Q, R, S, T, they have no line of symmetry. That means when we draw vertical or horizontal line, both side of the picture is not identical. Okay, that is the chapter belonging to look at the one more. There is no need to do the exercise. There is a method of to construct to locate the point where the symmetric to a given point with respect to the given line. There is a point, we have to draw a symmetrical line for this point with respect to this line. This is the actual form of drawing a perpendicular through a line. That was we have studied in the construction part. But for this year there is no need to draw this. We will study in the next 7th standard. Okay, just like another, the exercise is just for your, like, if you want you can try it. Okay, this much is from this chapter, just to go through it. Thank you.